Okay, being as a pilot, takeoff, fly and proper landing. Safe landing is required. Currently we are in Dubai International Airport. Okay, we'll take off from Dubai International Airport. We'll see some famous structures, come back and land on the same airport. This is called MCP mode control panel for autopilot system. IA stand for indicated airspeed. Nothing but speed of your aircraft. Whenever I say increase speed, you have to use this button. Heading is nothing but direction of your aircraft.
Okay.
Altitude is nothing but flying height. Okay. These are the parameters we are following for entire flight. This is called as a primary flight display. Same thing in your captain side also.
Here also, this
Yes.
one.
This one. Yes. And this is a navigation display.
It will be like a map.
Yes.
Where you're going, there it will direct.
Direction. And the speed is here. Left side,
This one, no?
left side, and right side is altitude. Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay. This is a throttle. It gives a power to engine. If you want to increase speed, push it forward, and decreasing speed is pull it back.
If you want to load out in speed, you should put it back. If you want to increase the speed, you put it back.
Yes, exactly. These are flaps which generate lift to aircraft in a lower speed. Okay. This is a speed.
Normal speed, that is.
Yes. And this is a speed breaker. It reduces speed drastically down while going for landing time.
But if you hit somewhere, you will get accident.
And this is a landing gear lever. Okay, means once you keep it up, wheels will go inside the aircraft. Understood?
When you're going to go up, the wheels will go up.
Okay, and we'll set it RTO because the RTO means rejected takeoff. While going for takeoff, any emergency comes, we'll reduce the speed and brake will apply automatically. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Set a speed 150. Where is the speed? Speed 150. Set it 150.
150.
Yes. Set a heading 120. Turn left. Turn left. There is right. Slowly, slowly. Not too much. It's not car driving. Steering. Turn right. Very good. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Hold it back. Pull 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 back. Completely pull back. Now, yes, you are flying now because the aircraft is climbing. You hold it like this only for a few seconds. Don't go down. Pull back. Climb. Properly.
Okay.
No, not okay. Just to hold it, not take too much tension on your hand. Slowly leave your aircraft. Slowly leave your aircraft. Leave your aircraft. Leave. Leave it. And sit back aram se first. Sit back, relax, don't sit back.
Now, what are we?
So that is 2,800 feet and we are flying at 3,800 feet. Okay.
Where to go?
Now we will go and see Palm Island, Gujarat, Palm Jumeirah.
Yeah. Yeah, higher than Khalifa.
Yes, we crossed it now. You are able to see one boat step section over there. One look
Yeah,
like
I
a boat.
could see something in the water.
Yeah, that is look like a boat, right?
Yeah.
That's a Burj Al Arab, 7-star hotel.
Oh.
Fastest hotel in the world.
I see him in the channel. His name is Dr. Bro. Oh my god, then he
Not
just
many-
went to that hotel instead.
Yeah.
This is the Palm Island.
Okay.
This is very fun. I don't know. Let's open it.
Yeah.
Huh? Do you want to play?
We are going in this way right now. We could see U-turn now.
What for the
Or an aircraft will okay, U-turn. Okay.
for the airport now? It's fun, very silent.
See this? Palm Island from the top.
Huh?
Palm Island you can see from the top of the wheel.
Yeah. Inside the water there is every fish, whale, more different that. Like the land. Huh?
Oh, we are far away from the airplane. Switch on fire alarm. Yes.
The top,
Yes.
with the middle,
Turn it, turn it. Switch on. Switch on. Okay. If the pilot want to talk with the cabin crew or if they want to give a public announcement and all, then use this channels. Okay. Okay, hold this thing. Okay. Sit back, madam. Sit back.
hello.
Talk there.
The flight is good. Like oh.
And this is cap door. Okay.
Okay.
That is the train button and these are communication channels.
Oh. What is giving lights?
One different view of the aircraft. Okay, which you are flying which aircraft? I want to see that. Press it. This is a tail view of your aircraft.
Okay. This is the tail view of the aircraft.
Press it. This is ATC tower view.
This is ACC tower view.
ATC means air traffic controller.
Again, I have to press it.
Press it. This is wing view.
What?
Wing view or side view.
This is the side view.
Or wing view.
What wing?
Press it again.
My great grandfather is an aircraft engineer.
Dip, head, back, down, 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 up, 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 down, very good, play it. Okay, press this approach,
Sana?
yes, play it. And it is the speed 145.
Captain, you know speaking? You're going to land now.
That's the last outer line. Yeah, see front now, continuously.
I could see the road of
There's the
runway.
runway we are going to land. Keep your hand on here. Okay. And keep eye on the runway. Don't see anywhere. Okay. See front. Very nice.
100.
Okay. Hold the control column now.
Approaching minimum.
Push it forward. Push it forward.
40,
Slowly.
30,
Slowly.
20, 10.
Okay. Put it up to stop the aircraft. Push it forward. Push it forward.
Long landing.
Speed brakes down. Down. Pull down. Pull down. Down. Cap pull up and auto brakes to off. Now. Auto brakes. Here is auto brake. Welcome back to Dubai International Airport. The safe landing. How was the experience? Enjoy?
It was very nice. I didn't believe it. Give us a comment guys here. It's very nice.